Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and today I will be doing my wash day routine from start to finish. So I'm just taking this Dollar Tree water bottle and I'm wetting my hair, and I'm going to detangle from the end of my hair to that hairband. And I think keeping my hair in a ponytail really reduces snagging and shedding of the hair, and it reduces tension on my scalp. So I'm going to use this wide tooth comb to do this because it also helps with reducing on pulling of the hair and shedding of the hair. And you want to make sure that you thoroughly detangle this because it will make detangling the rest of your hair easier. No, I'm just gonna remove this hairband so that I can begin the detangling process of the rest of my hair. And oh my god, it feels so good just to remove that hairband, like you don't even know. So I usually wash my hair every 2 weeks, but your girl missed a wash day and so the middle of my hair is like you don't even want to know. Okay, so that's where all of the I get really dry scalp during the summertime, and it's just horrible in that middle portion. So I divide my hair into 4 parts to make it easier, and I'm using this easy detangler brush, and I'm going to do the same thing, wet my hair and start from the tip back to the roots again, but this time in smaller sections, and that really helps with detangling the hair faster, and it just makes it more bearable because we all know it's a task to detangle natural hair. So I just do that until the brush can easily run through it like this, and y'all, I get like the cutest curls whenever I have dirty hair. Like, I don't know why, but my best curls come from dirty hair. Then I twist up the hair. This is important, you guys. Whenever you detangle your hair, twist it right after, because as soon as that wind goes through your hair, it's gonna tangle up again. Okay, so make sure everything stays twisted up. And look at the curls. What did I tell you guys? Like, whenever my hair is dirty AF, like my curls are bomb. But anyway, I digress. So here's a quick length check for you guys, and I am at bra strap length, or maybe a little bit under bra strap. And now with my hair in 4 sections, we're gonna hop into the shower. Yes, so you want to make sure that you drench your hair in water, ladies, before you do anything else. And I'm using my curl and shine shampoo by Shea Moisture. Love this stuff. Okay, so you want to concentrate that shampoo directly on your scalp in the beginning to remove all of that buildup. And I am now going to add some more shampoo to the rest of my hair. And let me tell you, I scrub that thing like I'm washing clothes by the side of the river. Okay, if you're from the Caribbean, you know what I mean. And I am just scrubbing from the ends of my hair up to my scalp because I already did my scalp. So I'm just scrubbing this as much as possible, making sure I get rid of every single buildup of product on those strands. Then I went back up to my scalp, and I'm taking the faithful wide tooth comb and I'm detangling. I'm going to detangle in every step of this process, as you will see. Now I'm just rinsing off my hair, and I'm using my curl and shine conditioner again by Shea Moisture, and I'm going to concentrate that on my scalp and then do the rest of my hair as well, detangling as I go along. So once I feel like my hair is thoroughly detangled, I go ahead and section it off in two, and I twist it in two as well. And I just put on a shower cap to allow the conditioner to sit and really sink into the strands of my hair to put back some of that moisture. And just a disclaimer, you guys, I am wearing clothes. I'm wearing a bandeau top. That's why you can't see it, but I should have said that earlier in the video. But yeah, now I'm going to take a shower, which will give me like 15 minutes to let that product sink in, and then I'm back. So I'm just unraveling the hair right now, and I am going to run my fingers through it to make sure there isn't any tangling. And if I do feel anything, I'm using my hands now as my detangler. So I'm just going to rinse that out. Doesn't that look beautiful, you guys? Like, my hair just looks like gold right now. Like, now I'm using the Strengthen and Restorative Mask from Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. Like, if your hair is dry, this is for you, okay? So I add a generous amount from the scalp to the tip, and I'm going to detangle once again, which will just help me overall. Like, after I'm done washing, like, detangling at every step really does help me style my hair at the end of the whole wash process. And it also helps evenly coat the rest of, or each strand of hair. So that's why I detangle at every step. Y'all see how easy that brush is just gliding through my hair? Yo, this is natural hair, and this brush is just, oh my god. Now I'm just separating my hair into, again, with two strand twists, and I'm gonna put on a shower cap once again. Let this sit for however long it says on the direction. I do about 15-20 minutes. So I'm back, you guys, and I'm just gonna take off the shower cap and take down the hair, and I am just going to use my hands this time as my detangling tool and just kind of separate or rake through the hair just to see if there are any knots or anything that needs to be separated so that my hair is not tangled up. So I'm just really tangle checking right now. Now I'm just going to give it that last good rinse, and you don't have to rinse it out like all the way. I think I did here, but you could leave some of it in. Okay, no, rinse it off. Now I'm twisting my hair up again. I don't know why, because I'm about to add some product in, but that's what I did anyway, so we're just gonna roll with it. Okay. I'm going to remove any residue that's on my body, and yes, you guys, that's it. The hair is fully washed, and now I'm just gonna take it down, and I'm just going to use a towel. Yes, I use a towel. I don't use a t-shirt. I tried that before, it didn't work for me. Okay, so I use a towel, but I keep my hair in 2-strand twists just so it can reduce the frizz, and I just kind of squeeze the hair, and on the scalp I kind of just, you know, go back and forth on there, but I squeeze the hair in the 2-strand twist to remove that excess water. So when the hair is damp, I'm going to add in some carrot oil, and I'm just going to do that, concentrate on the scalp but as well as the length of the hair as well. Now using the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture as well. I'm just going to add a generous amount of that all throughout my hair from the scalp to the tip, and I make sure I get that in real good to put some moisture back. And then I'm just dividing the hair into two. I'm going to do 2 flat twists, and that will be all, you guys. That's all I do. Let me know what you guys do. Do you guys use Shea Moisture? What products do you use? How long does it take for you to detangle your hair and to wash it? How often do you wash your hair? Like, I want to know the tea. And is there anything you think I need to add to my regimen? Just let me know, okay, guys? Some people pre-poo. I don't, but I'm interested in knowing what you guys do. So hit me up in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video if you care. Thank you, guys. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell to get a notification every time I upload. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Deuces. Bye.